channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel. Now this morning we are heading into St. Anne to see Mr. Chris Moore, and that would be last pastures in St. Anne, which is on the border of St. Anne and Trelawney. We are going to do an update with him, and we would have gotten some monetary donations that we are also delivering to him. So please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Now this morning is interesting because in heading to him, because he's about, because usually we are in the Trelawney area, and upper Trelawney that is, and so we are heading to him. It's about 2 hours or maybe 2.5 hours thereabout from him. So Marcel has found a shortcut and so we are taking a shortcut this morning. I don't know what the name of this road is, but would have come down through Alps. Let me see, would have come to Albertown, come to Alta Spring, come down to Alps. Where else again, Marcel? Where am I missing? Sawyers, those places. And then now there is a road to your right when you're heading to Jacksontown, and so would have taken this route. The road is not too good, as you can see. Marcel is looking at me because whenever I say a road is not too good, he's looking like, what? The road bad? So let me say it like when one mistake, the road bad. Right, so the road bad, but we're taking our time and going through because it should get us, even though it's bad and we're driving slowly through. We would have cut out a big part of the road to get to Mr. Chris Moore. Alright, so I don't know if I will be able to vlog the entire journey in getting to him. However, we'll do as much as we can. Alright, so see you when we get there, and thanks to everyone who has been supporting the work that we have been doing. We have had a lot of challenges this morning in getting here, getting on this journey and everything. It was, I can't even begin to explain how challenging it was this morning. Oh boy, because first of all, by the time we would have done one trip and I was about to move, our car couldn't start. We realized our battery, the battery, it do it time, and so it needed changing, and as such we had to just divert. We went to Tire Warehouse, was there waiting for a long time to see if we could buy the battery, and then the wait was so long we had to do a refund, and so we left, went into the town, and it's another story where we were even contemplating just not going today because of the challenges we're facing. Anyhow, we are still driving with our defective battery, and we are heading to Mr. Chris Moore in Jesus' name, because we know the need that exists, and so it's a matter of urgency. And so we decided that even though we did not get to source the battery today, we will go nonetheless. So here we are, by God's grace. So like I said before, journey with us, and see you when we get to Mr. Chris Moore. Alright, blessings. All right, everyone. So we have arrived at the location, and so we are heading up by the house right now. So we will see Mr. Chris Moore in a little while. All right. And of course, we're able to walk with some groceries as well. And I have to say thanks to all our donors who, you know, send us barrels over time. And so whenever we do a visit, we're able to take food items with us. So just want to say thanks so much for your continued support. You know, and just want to say also that we pray that your baskets, your store baskets, will never be empty. All right, so we are still heading up. It's quite a long step up. So, whew, yeah. Hello. Come along. Well, he's expecting us because we'd have called him early this morning, so he knows it's us. Mr. Moore.
Morning.
Hi, how you do?
Yeah, you're blowing sharp.
Oh Lord, and I tell you, oh Lord.
General. Morning, my brother. Good day, man. Good to have you back.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, good morning.
How you do?
Not Barata, madam.
Okay, okay. Oh
Nice
Lord.
to see you again.
Yes, man. It's a pleasure indeed.
Boy, the rain catch you?
This morning?
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Rain did not catch us this morning. The time is overcast and the rain was doing, but it's not like it's heavy rain. It was raining here earlier?
Yes.
Oh.
Not much though.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh Lord. You look good this morning though.
Well, may I give thanks.
Yes. Yes, God be praised.
Like follow up our dialysis kind of do look good, so
yes.
may I give thanks.
Yes, when was the last visit?
Wednesday, I went one Wednesday. Yes.
And when is the next one?
I'm supposed to go today.
Oh.
But what happened, the lady said there was something wrong with the machine today. Because sometimes the machine gives a little problem. So
the machine is down today.
So, you know, chances are Monday again.
Okay. Yes. But I'm happy to see you though and see you looking much better and chirpier because the last time we came you were in bed.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I did have the flu there the other day.
Right.
So it kind of knocked me out. Yeah, man. So.
Yes. The kids are home today. The school closed.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
So they are here.
Oh boy, you see how long we were to come.
Yeah, man. But
yes, took us some time, and this morning we had so many challenges.
Right.
And we didn't want to call it to say, you know, we're not coming because so and so. So, you know, we are glad to be here by the grace of God.
Good always to have you guys, because
yes,
you know,
man.
You're a blessing.
Yes, thanks
to be
so
here,
much.
And I thank you so much for what you guys are doing, you know.
Yes, you're welcome, Mr. Moore.
Still want to tell all them persons who have actually helped me out in the past and see my plight. I want to say thank you in all the words.
Yes.
You know, and God bless you guys. And I hope that it's whatever you have actually gave me before, it's not that one-off thing, and it can happen again, because, you know, my thing is a continual thing.
Yes.
You know, so I just want to say thank you in all the words for what you guys have done for me. And I must say thank you again.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You're
God
very
bless.
welcome.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. All right, and so this morning we are here again. We brought you some groceries, but that's from us because we have persons who, you know, they send us barrels from time to time, or donors.
Right.
So we come into you, we're able to pack something for you.
Thank you.
All right, so big up to all our donors. And in addition to that, we have some monetary donations this morning.
Okay.
So we have, just a moment. Get this information. All right. Okay. All right, so Mr. Moore, we have 3 donors.
Yes, sir.
We have 2 anonymous donors who would have sent monetary donations.
Right.
And we also have another donor who she would have sent donations as well, monetary.
Yes.
So this is a group of persons that we have to thank this morning for this one.
Yes,
and it's CB and husband in Virginia, and Millicent and Karen in Boston.
Okay.
So we just want to say to all our donors, thank you very much. We are more than appreciative for what you have sent for Mr. Moore, and we're praying that your store basket may never be empty.
And in addition, I must say thanks very, very, very much. And may God bless whoever see my plight
Yes.
and assist me. I want to say thank you to those guys in Virginia.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yes, and Boston.
And Boston.
Right, right.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Can't say thank you enough.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Well said. Well
Yeah,
said.
Because I need the help.
Yes,
man.
absolutely. So, give us an idea of how things have been going, since.
Well, if I can tell you, since I've met these persons that do this video for me, things had actually changed.
Yes.
Things had actually changed, and it's changed in a good little way. I see changes because people had actually reached out to me who didn't know what was happening.
Yes.
And I must tell them thanks to see the video and see my plight and know that I need some help and reach out to me. So I must tell everyone in that regards thanks.
Okay.
In all the words, you know.
Yes. And when you say persons who saw the video and reached out to you, you're talking about persons who you knew or who knew you before but just didn't know that you were ill.
People knew me and didn't know that I was sick.
Okay.
In any sense of it.
Yes.
So it's good to know that you guys had actually came here to do it. So it goes to that distance so they could see what happened. So apparently they could reach back out to me to know what was happening.
Okay.
So thank you so much too.
Yes, man.
To
You
know,
are
and thanks
welcome.
to everyone out there who actually see the plight and say, boy, I want to reach out to him.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You are more than welcome.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, everyone. Whether here in Jamaica or abroad.
Right.
Thanks so much.
Yes, man.
God bless to everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And I really need the help, and I'm so happy for it.
Okay.
In all the sense. And these persons that do this video, they are exceptionally good. Because they reach out to me, and I must say I appreciate what they did.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You are welcome, Mr. Moore.
Yeah, man. Thanks so much.
Welcome again.
You're welcome again and again and again. All right. So everything is like you say. I know it's not perfect, but it's much better than it was before.
Right.
Right.
Well, it's as I said, things are actually getting better.
Okay.
Because you too, you take your little thing, and whoever come, they do their little stuff. So
Right.
I give thanks.
Yeah, everybody
I
puts
give
in
thanks.
together, make it
Everybody
work.
make it work.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
I must say thanks. It works.
All right, Mr. Moore. We won't keep it too long because we know how things are. So just want to say again to all our donors, everyone who would have reached out to us, those persons who would have also reached out to Mr. Moore. Thank you so much for your continued support. All right, without you, none of this would have been possible. And we want to say thanks to God as well, because, with him, all things are possible, right, Mr. Moore?
More so.
All right. So until next time, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
One love.
Yeah.